Ayan, ready na yung mga gamit namin, of course. Ready ka na? Let's go. You ready? Come. Ayan, ready na ang batang makulit. Ready na siya. Ready na. Oh, yes. Oh, get some sun. Come on. Come on. You got it. Oh, age. Good job. Yes, let's go. Call Dada first. You're gonna call Dada first. Let him know we're gonna... Oh, get some sun. Dada. Ito yung bubbles niya. Ah. Yay! That's our routine every morning. Go get some sun. Dali. Yay! Ayan na siya. Whee! Good job! Yan, nagpa-play na siya ng bubbles. We love you, baby!